Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to connect your Atem Mini to OBS for seamless streaming and recording. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, go ahead and open your OBS application on your computer. Before we dive into the software settings, there's an important hardware setup step you need to handle first. Make sure you connect the Atem Mini's USB-C port directly to your computer using the appropriate cable. Once the cable is plugged in, turn on your Atem Mini. It's crucial that you connect it directly to a USB port on your computer rather than using a USB hub. This direct connection ensures stable performance and prevents any potential signal or power issues that could disrupt your stream. Now that your Atem Mini is physically connected and powered on, let's configure it within OBS. Look at the bottom left corner of your OBS window and you'll see a plus icon in the Sources panel. Click on this plus icon to open a menu that shows all the different types of sources you can add to your scene. From this menu, select Video Capture Device. This option allows OBS to recognize and capture video input from external devices like your Atem Mini. A new window will pop up asking you to create and name your new source. In the name field, type something descriptive like Atem Mini so you can easily identify this source later. Once you've entered the name, click OK to proceed to the device properties. Now, I don't currently have an Atem Mini connected right now, but I'll walk you through the exact next steps you'll see when yours is properly connected. In the Properties window that appears, you'll notice a Device drop-down menu at the top. Click on this drop-down and you should see Atem Mini or Blackmagic Design listed as one of the available devices. Select it from the list. This tells OBS to capture the video feed coming from your Atem Mini, allowing you to use all the switching and mixing capabilities of the Atem Mini within your OBS stream or recording. Once you've selected the correct device, click OK to confirm your settings. Your Atem Mini video feed should now appear in your OBS scene and you can resize and position it however you like within your layout. And that's it. You've successfully connected your Atem Mini to OBS and can now take full advantage of its professional switching capabilities in your streams. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.